everyone. Welcome back to the Chill English channel. We're so happy you're here.
Hi everyone. Yes, welcome. I'm Jake, and today we have a super fun and useful lesson for you.
I'm Sophia. How are you today, Jake?
I'm great, thanks, Sophia. The sun is shining, and I'm feeling really happy. How about you?
I'm wonderful too. It's such a nice day, perfect for learning some practical English.
Absolutely. Today, we're going to talk about daily conversations you must know. These are short, simple phrases you can use every day to talk to people, order food, go shopping, and just live your life in English.
Yes, they are very important, especially for beginners. Before we start, a quick reminder, please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. It helps us a lot.
And leave a comment, too. We love reading your messages.
Let's begin with greetings. What do we usually say when we meet someone?
The simplest words are hi and hello. Hi is for friends, and hello is good for everyone.
And there are greetings for different times of the day. In the morning, we say,
Good morning. For example, if you see the barista at 8 a.m., you can say, Good morning.
in the afternoon, after 12, we say, good afternoon. Very polite and common.
And in the evening, like at a restaurant or meeting a friend for dinner,
That's good evening. And when it's time to go to bed or leave late at night, we say, good night. Remember, this is a farewell, not a greeting.
great. After saying hello, we often ask, How are you?
Exactly. It's polite. Common answers are, I'm fine, thank you, or I'm good. If you feel just okay, you can say, not bad.
And always ask back. And you? Or how about you? This makes the conversation friendly.
When meeting someone new, you can say, my name is Sophia. What's your name?
And it's polite to say, nice to meet you when someone tells you their name.
Next, let's talk about polite words. Words like please, thank you, sorry, excuse me are very important.
Yes, use please when asking for something. Can I have a coffee, please?
When someone helps you, say thank you or thanks. Thanks is casual. Thank you works for everyone.
And when someone thanks you, say, You're welcome, or no problem.
If you need attention, like from a waiter, say, excuse me?
And if you make a small mistake, say, Sorry.
Now let's move to ordering food. At a restaurant, the waiter might ask, what would you like? Or, are you ready to order?
You can answer, Can I have a coffee, please? Or, I'll have water, please.
If you are not ready, say, not yet, please, or just a moment.
If you don't understand a menu item, ask, What is this? Or, What do you recommend?
When you finish eating, ask for the bill. The bill, please, or politely, can I have the bill, please?
After paying, always say thank you again.
Now, let's move to shopping. When you enter a shop, the assistant may ask, can I help you?
You can say, Yes, please, and tell them what you want.
If you don't need help, say, no thank you, I'm just looking.
To ask the price, say, How much is this?
Or, if you know the item, say, I want a coffee, please, or I need some milk.
And if you decide to buy, say, I'll take this, please, or I'd like a sandwich, please.
Perfect. These phrases make your everyday conversations much easier.
Now that we've practiced greetings, ordering food, and shopping, let's talk about small talk. Small talk is short, friendly conversation. It's not about serious topics, just light chatting to connect with people.
Yes, it's very useful when you meet someone new or when you are in public. The easiest topic is the weather. You can say, Nice weather today, isn't it?
Or if it's rainy, oh, it's raining today, isn't it? Simple observations make a conversation easier.
You can also say things like, it's very sunny, or it's a bit cloudy today, even it's cold today, or it's hot today.
Another way to do small talk is by asking about someone's day. For example, on Monday morning, you can ask a coworker, "How was your weekend?"
And the answer can be simple. It was good, thank you. I relaxed a lot. Or, it was busy, but fun. Always ask back, how about yours?
You can also comment on something around you. For example, if you're in a cafe, you can say, "This coffee smells really good," or "That's a nice bag you have."
Or, if you are in a long line, this line is long, isn't it? Simple comments like this are friendly and not complaining.
Small talk helps you feel more confident and comfortable speaking English in everyday situations. Don't be shy.
After small talk, sometimes we ask basic personal questions. Nothing private, just simple things to know someone better.
A common question is, "Where are you from?" This helps people understand your background.
You can answer, I'm from Brazil, or I'm from Sao Paulo. Always ask back. And you? It's polite.
Another question is, "Do you speak English?" You can answer, "Yes, a little," or "Not much yet, but I'm learning." Even a little English is enough to start.
And people may ask, what do you do? Meaning, what is your job? Simple answers, I'm a student, I'm a teacher, or I work in an office.
Talking about personal information is very common when meeting new people. Keep your answers short and friendly.
Now, let's talk about sharing opinions. It's easy to say what you like and don't like. For example, I like coffee, or I like pizza.
And if you don't like something, just add "don't." I don't like broccoli, or I don't like Mondays.
You can also ask, do you like coffee? Or do you like to read? And the answer is simple. Yes, I do. Or no, I don't.
Sharing likes and dislikes is a good way to start a friendly conversation and find common interests.
Next, let's talk about everyday needs. These are phrases for basic feelings and needs.
For example, "I'm hungry," "I'm thirsty," "I'm tired," or "I'm sleepy." Very simple and easy to understand.
If you're not feeling well, you can say, I'm sick, or my head hurts, or my stomach hurts.
And for temperature, "I'm cold," or "I'm hot." Short, clear, and very useful.
Using these phrases helps you express yourself and makes daily conversations much easier.
After this, we can also talk about traveling and finding directions.
Yes, the most important question for travelers is, where is the bathroom? Everyone needs to know that.
Other useful questions: where is the train station? Or is it far?
And if you are really lost, you can say, I'm lost, or point to a map and ask, how do I get here? People usually help if you ask politely.
Simple phrases like this help you find your way in a new place. Don't be afraid to ask.
That's it for this chunk. These conversations, small talk, sharing opinions, talking about needs, and asking directions are very important for beginners.
Sophia, we've talked about greetings, ordering food, shopping, small talk, and even how to ask for directions. But there's one more step we must not forget: how to say goodbye.
Yes, Jake, saying goodbye is just as important as saying hello. It leaves the last impression in a conversation, so it's good to do it politely.
The easiest goodbye is just goodbye or bye. Both are correct, and people use them every day. Bye is a little more casual, but you can use it with almost anyone.
Another common one is see you later. This is great if you will probably see the person again soon, maybe later in the day.
Or you can say, see you tomorrow, if you know for sure you'll meet the person the next day. For example, after class you can say, bye, see you tomorrow.
That's true. Another polite way to end a conversation is to say, have a good day. You can use this in the morning or afternoon.
Yes, and in the evening, you can change it to have a good evening. These small details make your English sound natural.
If it's Friday, people often say, have a good weekend. It's a friendly way to wish someone well before Saturday and Sunday.
That's right. And don't forget, take care. This one is very warm and kind. It means you want the person to stay safe and well.
There's also talk to you soon or just see you soon. These are friendly and often used between friends.
For more formal situations, you can even say, it was nice talking with you, or it was nice to see you. That sounds polite and respectful.
Great. Now let's practice a short example. Imagine you are leaving a cafe after meeting a friend.
Okay, I'll start. It was nice to see you, Sophia. Take care.
Thanks, Jake. You too. See you tomorrow.
Perfect. Very natural.
Another situation, after class at school. You can just say, bye everyone, see you next week.
Yes, very common. Short and simple.
So, listeners, now you know many ways to say goodbye. Try them out. Don't always use only bye. Mix them and practice in real conversations.
Let's quickly review what we learned today. First, we started with greetings like hello and good morning. Then we practiced ordering food and shopping phrases like, can I have, please? And how much is this?
Then we moved on to small talk, sharing opinions like, I like coffee or I don't like broccoli, and talking about everyday needs such as, I'm hungry or I'm tired.
We also learned how to ask for directions like, where is the train station? And how do I get here? Very helpful when you travel.
And finally, we learned how to say goodbye, bye, see you later, take care, have a good day, and more.
These simple conversations are the building blocks of English. If you practice them every day, they will soon become automatic.
Yes, and remember, even if your grammar isn't perfect, it's okay. What matters is communication. People will understand you if you use these phrases with confidence.
Exactly. Practice with a friend, practice in front of the mirror, or even practice with us by listening again to this episode.
Before we finish, we want to thank you for listening today. We really appreciate you spending time with us.
If you enjoyed this lesson, please like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the Chill English channel.
And leave us a comment. Tell us, which goodbye phrase do you use the most? Do you like see you later, take care, or just bye?
We'd love to know your answers, and who knows, we might read your comment in the next episode.
Thank you again, everyone. You are doing amazing. Step by step, you are getting better at English.
Keep practicing, stay confident, and remember, you can do it.
That's all for today's lesson.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.